So in this session, we're going to basically take a path through 6 steps. We're going to understand what we mean when we say software architecture. Then we're going to take a look at what it means for things to bend but not break, and we'll look at some examples from nature, look at examples from sports, look at examples from software. Why do we care about bending but not breaking? Because software encounters stress, and so we'll look at, well, what are the types of stress that software and software teams can encounter, and then, well, what type of qualities do we want our software systems to exhibit in the face of that stress? And that gets us to a point where probably most of us stop. We need to go one step further and talk about measurement. How are we going to know that we actually have the qualities that we want without just kind of waving our hands about things? So we'll talk about how we measure software qualities and what measurements are going to match up with the qualities that we want. And then at this point, we're ready to actually talk about how we're going to go about doing this. And we'll look at some ideas from evolutionary architecture and resilient architectures. We'll also look at chaos engineering and how we can use all of these things to create these architectures that bend but don't break.